Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Vimeo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling with Vimeo, start by creating a clear strategy for your content. Identify your target audience and define your niche. Research the types of content that resonate with this audience. Next, set up a professional Vimeo account to unlock advanced features. Choose the appropriate Vimeo plan based on your needs and goals. Utilize the customizable video player to maintain your brand's identity. Focus on high-quality video production to enhance viewer engagement. Ensure your videos are optimized for various devices and screen sizes. Leverage Vimeo's privacy settings to control who sees your content. Use analytics to track your video performance and audience engagement. Analyze viewer behavior to refine your content strategy. Create a consistent upload schedule to build anticipation among your audience. Engage with your community through comments and social media integration. Consider collaborating with other creators to expand your reach. Take advantage of Vimeo's marketing tools to promote your videos effectively. Utilize email marketing campaigns to inform your audience about new content. Experiment with different video formats, such as tutorials, live streams, or short films. Monitor industry trends to stay relevant and innovative. Continually gather feedback to improve and adapt your content. Invest in targeted promotions to reach a broader audience. As you scale, review your goals regularly to ensure they align with your growth. Explore Vimeo's integration options with other platforms to enhance your workflow. Evaluate performance regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. Stay consistent and committed to your scaling journey on Vimeo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.